Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be walking you through the operations management transformation process using a very familiar product, bread loaves. We'll see how something as simple as bread involves multiple input, processes, strategic decisions, and how efficiency in operations impact cost, quality, and customer satisfaction. Introduction. Bread is one of the world's most consumed staple food eaten daily across culture. In the presentation, I'll map the entire journey from raw material to packaged bread. I'll also highlight the facilities, supply chain, quality measure, sustainability effort, and the key managerial decisions that make the product possible. Let's move to input in bread production. Input in bread production. Every transformation process begins with input. For bread, the main raw material are flour, yeast, water, sugar, salt, and oil. The labor includes skilled baker and the machine operator. Capital come in the form of ovens, mixers, slicers, and packaging machines. And finally, information that is recipe, demand, forecast, and regulation standard guide the entire process. Let's move to transformation activity. Transformation process is where the magic happens. First, wheat is made into flour, then ingredients are mixed to prepare dough, which undergo fermentation and proofing. Next come baking at controlled temperature, followed by cooling, slicing, and packaging. This structure sequence ensures that the raw material are efficiently converted into soft, fresh bread loaves. Output. The output of the process are of course packaged bread loaves ready for sale. But there are also byproducts such as wheat bran, which often go into animal feed. At the same time, we need to account for waste like spoiled batches and packaged material, which must be minimized to reduce cost and environmental impact. Facilities and technology. Modern bakeries are highly automated to ensure speed and consistency. Equipment such as industrial mixer, proofers, tunnel ovens, slicers, and wrapping machines streamlining production. Technologies play a vital role in here. It reduces labor intensity, maintain hygiene, and ensure every loaf tastes the same. Supply chain and logistics. Bread's journey rely on a strong supply chain. It starts with wheat from farmer, which goes to flour mills and then to bakeries. Packaging material come from supplier and finally bread is distributed to supermarket and retail stores. Because bread has a short shelf life, logistics must be faster and reliable, usually with daily deliveries to ensure freshness. Quality control. Quality is central to bread production. Checks begin at the raw material stage. Test flour quality and yeast freshness. During production, dough consistency and baking temperature are monitored. Finished bread is tested for texture and hygiene before packaging. Standards like ISO, HACCP, and FSSAI ensure safety for customer trust. Sustainability and waste management. In today's world, sustainability is no longer optional. Bakeries are increasingly using biodegradable packaging and energy efficient oven. Byproducts like barn are reused and unsold bread is often donated to reduce food waste. These initiatives not only save cost but also strengthen the brand image, eco-friendly image and ensure safety of environment. Strategic decision. Several strategy decisions shape bread production. To make or buy decision, whether to bake in house or outsource. Location strategy. Placing bakery near the urban center to cut logistic costs and ensure freshness. Capacity planning. Matching production to fluctuating demand. And finally, process design, where automation and lean technique improve efficiency. Managerial implication. Managerial transformation efficiency has a direct impact. Efficient operation, lower cost, and improved profit margin. Maintaining high quality lead to customer satisfaction and loyalty. And streamlining logistics ensure fresher bread reach shelf faster than competitors. This makes operation management a key driver to complete advantage. Suggested improvements. Some improvements can make bread operation even better. For example, investing in renewable energy to power oven, adopting AI-based demand forecasting to reduce wastage, using smart packaging to extend shelf life, and innovating with healthier variants like multigrain or gluten-free bread. These not only improve efficiency but also align with evolving customer preference. Conclusion. To conclude, bread production is a classic example of transformation process. We saw how input, activities, facilities, supply chain and strategic decision all come together to create something as common yet essential as bread. Ultimately, efficiently and operations directly influence cost, quality and customer satisfaction. Thank you for listening.